Now we are going to learn about the replace method in JavaScript string object. The replace method replaces the specified text inside a string and returns the new string. As usual, it does not modify the original string, just that we are going to replace the string, right? So what is the syntax for us to use the replace method? Simple. The first parameter is what we are going to replace. The second parameter is the string replacements. So let me give you this simple example. Here we can say the original string is I love Apple. Apple is my favorite. So within this replace method, we need to pass two parameters. The first parameter is going to be string to replace. So which string would you like to replace? Let's say I want to replace the Apple. Then the second parameter would be string replacement. So here I'm going to say, let me say I want to replace that one as orange, right? Let me save and refresh. Now you can see I love orange, Apple is my favorite. Here if you can notice one thing, only the first occurrence of Apple was changed. To replace all the matching strings, use the regular expression with G flag. So in that case, if you want to use the regular expression, I'm sure that you can still remember, you need to use two forward slashes. Between these forward slashes, you need to pass the string that you want to replace, and then with the G as a flag. So when I save and refresh, both of these apples is being replaced with orange. Okay, what if I use lowercase apple? Because these occurrences that I can see them is uppercase. There is a in uppercase, right? So here I'm going to put lowercase. Let me save and run. Let's see what will happen. Stu is failing to replace this apple. So in that case, you have to include I, which means case insensitive. Initially, this replace method is a case sensitive. So if you want to make this replace method as a case insensitive, you have to add a flag as I. So this G to replace all the occurrences. So this I is for the case insensitive things, because by default replace method is a case sensitive. So if it is an uppercase, it's just going to consider only for uppercase. If you want to make it case insensitive, you have to add I as a flag. So when you save and refresh, now both of these apple is being replaced with this orange. I hope now you have understood how to use the replace method in JavaScript string object.